Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on a roll. This is going to bring an end to day 2 for your careers class. So we're motoring on through. That makes it only 7 days left, and so you should be just moving along tickety boo in the course thus far. So a couple of reminders, a couple of heads up. If you want to get a hold of me, the first thing you need to always do is send me an email. It's tgun@ugcloud.ca. Always make sure that you're watching the videos both at the beginning of the day. There's Monday morning, Monday afternoon, Tuesday morning, and this is Tuesday afternoon coming up, because I kind of recap the things that need to happen, things that are going well, and things that you need to focus on. So today was actually pretty darn good. There was a small hiccup in terms of the course content. It referenced a different portfolio that has since been changed, and so I had to go back into the course and kind of modify that so you didn't get confused. But always err on putting stuff when it mentions portfolio. Always put that into the My Blueprint portfolio. Uh, so today's tasks were a bit larger than yesterday. It was one of the bigger days. So you can see there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tasks that you were asked to do. Now, 2 of those were just reading, so you're down to 5. There's a discussion post, 2 portfolio submissions, and 2 Dropbox submissions. So it was nice to see people kind of moving along within the course. And you can see here we're up to 23 threads or 32 posts in the first. You're down to 30 posts in the second, 28 posts in the third. So people are moving kind of along in the course in terms of discussions. That's perfectly good. Discussions are going fairly darn well. Assignments, when I look into assignments, I can see that right now we only have 8 of 38 for the first 2 assignments that were due today. So these are the Dropbox assignments. There's only 8 of 38 submitted there. So you need to make sure that you have yours in. Remember, it's due by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. When I log in tomorrow morning, I should see that everybody has it submitted. Going back into the course, the only other thing that I have to mention is just remember that you can look ahead at what's coming up. So if you look at the 6th, day 3, it tells you what's going. You can see that day 3 is a little bit smaller of a day than today. So each day is different and each day is unique. So you need to make sure that you're coming through and make sure you're completing the task. The biggest thing you could do to make sure you get the credit is make sure that each day when you log in, you're checking out what is expected each day and you're completing that. As long as you're completing those, you're going to get your credit. If you have any questions, you have any concerns, you have any comments, you have any issues, please contact me. There's my email right there. From 9 till 3, you get a response within 10, 15 minutes. From 3 till late at night, you might get a response. You might not, depending on how my evening's going with my family and my daughter. But at worst case, you'll always have a response by 9 a.m. the next morning. Ladies and gentlemen, you're on a roll. It's so close that the last day is already on our calendar. That's how quick it's going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you tomorrow.